everybody, Justin Seener here. How's it going? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly launch a store with no apps needed. This is really powerful, and this is all about getting a store up and running ASAP. This is the quickest way to build your e-com store. And this is all about making it quick, making it easy, and requiring no apps. And marketers need a platform that makes it easy to sell ASAP. And I'm talking about you, right? A marketer, an entrepreneur, right? We're focused on creating products that people love. We're focused on creating brands that people love, storefronts that people love. We need to be able to get into those stores ASAP. And the fastest route to success is starting lean. I'm a real big fan of the lean startup methodology. Basically, the idea is that you want to go live. You want to get your product in front of your customers, and then you want to start iterating on the data. You want to get feedback. You want to make changes. And you can get stuck in an endless cycle of being in pre-launch when you want to make your store perfect, or you need to add 20 apps or add some code, right? There's definitely some pain points that you run into today when you're going to be operating and opening your own store. Platforms make it very challenging for entrepreneurs and marketers to get their stores live. You need to design the layout, you need to add apps, you need to mess with code sometimes. There's a lot of things that you need to do before you can go live. And of course, this takes away from what we do best as marketers and entrepreneurs. We need to get to selling, right? That's how we're going to make our money. That's how we're going to be good at what we do. We need our store live, and we need to start selling our product. And operating a store can get incredibly expensive when you need to add lots of different apps to get that core functionality. So the reason for this video is all about Cartsy. And you see the link directly below this video. I highly recommend Cartsy. It's a really great option when it comes to e-commerce store platforms. This is by far the easiest and quickest way to get your store live without needing any apps. And again, you see the link directly below this video. I'm going to bring over Cartsy right here. And again, you see the link directly below this video. This is Cartsy over here, go.cartsy.com. And this is really, again, the easiest way. You get an all-in-one e-commerce solution, the entire platform, and it's incredibly easy. No tools needed, no apps needed, everything built in. And you get a free 21-day trial of Cartsy, so you can see exactly what's happening in here. Really, really easy for you to get started. Quick 4-step process if you want to jump right into dropshipping. And by the way, they have a free dropshipping course when you join Cartsy as well. You simply get your online store set up, add those products, and get all of the dropshipping. And really, everything is included. We're talking about no additional monthly cost for upselling apps, for that really cool exit wheel app, for product reviews, for profits by dropshipping. No extra transaction fees, no limits. Right, you get 3 individual stores as well on the Platinum plan. And you can sell into all of the important marketplaces, obviously Google Shopping, Microsoft Bing Shopping, Facebook Marketplace. They also have bi-weekly live training. So you're really going to have a great kind of upper hand on your competition here. You get your store up and running ASAP. It costs less. Everything is built in, full automation as well with the Profits by app to keep those inventory levels. You can really have a full start to finish business here with Cartsy, and the best part is no additional apps needed to have all of that functionality built in. So we can come over here, right over here, and get your free 21-day trial of Cartsy. You just enter in your store name, email, and password, and that's going to bring you into your store, and we'll jump into one right now. So once you sign up for the free trial, you'll get a little email to just go ahead and verify your store. All you need to do is click that link, and then your store is going to be built. You'll be able to log back into the Cartsy dashboard. You'll then be brought into your Cartsy store. You'll get all of your store details over here, and you can take a look at your storefront and your store admin. You can copy these over here so we have them. You're getting all your kind of information sent to the email as well. And now what we want to do is set up our store details. And we're going to be able to go ahead and create a new domain over here. I'm just going to set up the store over here, but you'll be able to come over and get your .com domain, whether you need to buy a new one or connect an existing one. You'll be able to do that all in here. And we're just going to walk through these settings. Very, very easy. Remember, this whole setup here is incredibly easy. We're not going to need to add any apps or look at any code or anything like that. We're just going to click through, and I'll go through here and add a logo. If you don't have a logo, you can go over and click Create Logo, but I'm just adding in mine. Going now into the next step here, Save and Continue. We're going to be able to take a look at different themes. They're always adding new themes over here. We'll go with the default theme over here. You can come back and change your theme later on and customize things. Now I want to go ahead and enter in our business information here. Next, you simply set up your shipping rates over here, and we can come over here and we'll set a name. Let's put United States. Then we'll come over here and add in United States. You You can even actually add other regions as well. Really, really powerful. Come over here and do something like standard shipping and enter in the rates. You can always add in more regions as well. Let's say you want to sell to Canada, to Australia, to the UK, right? You simply just create different zones and you can create different rates for each one. Very, very easy to do all this. Again, we're really setting everything up here. It's going to pull in from your state that you put in here in business details. We'll take in your tax rate. You could edit this, or you could even add more regions in settings. We're going to go with this for now. And we have our legal pages over here. You can create your own, but basically we're going to have template versions of all of these. You see we can check these in or off. We're able to customize all these in the settings and legal section as well. And now we're going to save and exit. That was the last step in terms of setting our basic things up. And you see here, you have successfully set up your store. We're now ready for business. So we have our dashboard over here, and this is going to be what we're looking at, basically on a daily basis. And this is really going to be where you see all of your core information. You see up top here, this is kind of just our setup. We can exit out of this since we've done that. What we're going to see here now is having our store performance. And of course, this is a brand new store. But what we have up top is our date range, and we're able to kind of go through here and take a look at all of our numbers. We're going to see everything visually here in our different graphs, whether it's total revenue, number of sales, average order value, your most sold, or this is your most popular products. Traffic over here, we could integrate Google Analytics as well by clicking Add Analytics Code. You could literally just simply add in your Google Analytic ID here. You could even put in your Facebook Pixel ID, super important. We have Pinterest on here as well. Some Microsoft scripts. You could add really any thank you page script as well. So we're having full control for all pixels. Super important. You're absolutely going to want to have your Facebook Pixel on here. There's really no doubt about that. And going back to the store, to the dashboard real quick, just again to show you all these different kind of analytic and report things that we're going to see here in terms of our orders. We'll have that full view right over here in terms of both fulfilled and unfulfilled, payments pending, paid, and abandoned checkouts to take a look at really what's going on in terms of your store. We can come back over here into store management. This is really going to kind of go over some of the things that we had previously set up here. You can go and preview your store at any time through this little section. You see the domain that I have over here. And we used our base theme over here, so we're going to be able to customize it by adding in our products. But you see, we're not going to need to install any apps or anything like that. They're really already ready to go. And again, if we need to change anything in terms of our pages, right, we have our contact us, our about us, our FAQs. We can start adding in things there. We have our navigation up top as well. We could fully customize that, add any page that we want. Maybe we have something like a featured product or a sale or a holiday event or links to social media or really anything that you want up here, adding that up on top. Now we want to come over into products. And obviously we need to have some products in our store to get purchased, right? But the cool thing is we've set everything else up. So again, when it's time for you to be an entrepreneur or you to be a marketer, all you need to do is focus on the products. We literally have everything else up front ready to go. So we can come over here and click Create Product. And this is going to give you that very kind of familiar Add Product page here. It's just a one-page product setup. And we could literally add in any type of product that we want here. Let's say we have a digital product, a physical product, a product in a warehouse, a custom product that we make ourselves, anything, we could simply add it in here. So I'm going to add a sample product. And just like that, we have a product. I added in title, description, pictures, of course. Really cool down here. Of course, you add your pricing, but you could add compare at pricing. And what I really love here is your cost per item. Customers aren't going to see this. This is just for you. Seeing your profit, right? Really strong profit margin, understanding margin percentage and profit numbers. Here is the actual link over here. And we could even edit SEO here if we want to edit the page title, description, or even the URL. But really simple over here. You just simply give it a product type, and then you're able to actually view that product in the store. And just like any other product in any other store, customers can go ahead and add this product. You see this really beautiful slide out shopping cart. Nothing needed, right? Nothing additional needed in terms of apps, right? You want to do discount codes already built in. We can set up upsells as well. We have everything in here. Of course, we have full payment processors in here, and they'll be able to check out in here just like any other product. And again, you have full control over all your products over here. You can create product collections. Let's say you wanted to group things like apparel together and office supplies or maybe art or really any of your collections. Of course, you can create that right over here. You can kind of just think of these as categories. We're not going to have anything in the orders right now, but you will be able to see all of your orders over here all the way down into the actual fulfillment and delivery method down here. So you'll be able to manage all of your orders. Of course, you can manage all of your customers as well. And a really, really cool thing over here, analytics. You're going to see a lot of great analytic data over here. I love the visuals that Cartsy provides. Really important, especially when you're looking at this multiple times per day. You could just kind of pop into analytics, view your reports, see kind of everything that's working over here. And they have so many different reports here, so you'll have a full understanding of what's going on. Really cool additions here. And again, nothing additionally needed. You have your email marketing, right over here in the marketing section. You have your in-cart upsell right over here in the marketing section. You have abandoned cart recovery as well. And they're even going to be adding post-purchase upsell. These are huge, right? You want to do both, in-cart upsell and post-purchase upsell. All of these, you'll want to have these working for you. Email marketing, in-cart upsell especially, all you need to do is just come over and activate over here. Really, really powerful. You saw the discount codes. You can set those up over here in the discount section. We can create our discounts over here. Profit Spy, this is really cool for drop shipping. How about we take a look at a find products section over here. And this Profit Spy, incredibly powerful. It's going to allow us, and this is kind of just show you about the features, but it's going to show you all of these different products that we'd be able to integrate into our store, and we can add them into our import list. You see over here, add to import list. We can add as many products as we want. And then we come over into our import list over here, and now we'd be able to actually have these products go into our store. Very, very powerful over here. We're going to be able to have these type of products sellable, fulfillment, of course, coming over here through here with drop shipping. So really powerful. Even if you don't have products, Cartsy has you covered immediately with Profit Spy. And of course, you can come over here, change your settings at any time for all of this over here. Go with your subscription management, of course, enable your payments. You could edit any of your store details over here. Cartsy really has thought of it all for you. And again, nothing additional. You have everything built in. It's ready to go. That's why Cartsy is so highly recommended.